Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bookmarks to your document on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Google Docs from the desktop shortcut or using your web browser. Once you open it up, go ahead and open up the document on which you want to set up your bookmarks. Now, once you open up your document, just select the section that you want to set as a bookmark. You can then click on the Insert menu and then scroll down and you will find Bookmark. Just click on it and this will create a new bookmark for you. Now, in order to set up a point which will redirect to this point, you can simply select the text that you want your viewers to be able to click to be redirected to your selected bookmark, and then click on Insert once again. Now this time click on Link. From the Links menu, scroll down and you will find Headings and Bookmarks. Click on this. Now you can just click on your recently created bookmark, and now once you click on this, you will be redirected to your selected bookmark. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create bookmarks on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.